Today is a very important day for us. We are inserting the Sultan sample, Gemini.
It's the first trial of our design, of our cable, of our concept.
All the team has been pushing very hard to get to this moment. There's been some struggles, some fight during the assembly, but finally we are here.
The sample we're building here is the first step in qualifying the technologies we're going to need to build Stellarator Model Coil.
Without a cable, we don't have a magnet. Here at PSI, we are in the right place because we have the Sultan test facility, which is a facility that is being used worldwide to test cable, mainly for fusion magnets.
Here in our assembly facility, we have a couple of workbenches that we've used to prepare the two legs of the Sultan sample, so our two pieces of HTS cable running up and down the test well.
Our team from Munich actually manufactured the cable at a record speed. We managed to get this done in less than 2 months.
Right now we're in these last stages of assembling the two legs of the sample together, and at that point we will deliver Gemini, what we're calling the sample, to our partners at the Swiss Plasma Center and work with them to integrate it into the Sultan test facility and prepare the test campaign.
We have delivered our sample on time. So after 2 weeks of preparation, now is the big day of the installation of the sample inside the Sultan facility.
We are standing next to our sample, Gemini. We called it like this because there's two legs, as you can see now. The left one here is Castor, the right one is Pollux.
We are in the most important test station of the world for fusion magnets. It has already been used by several institutions like W7X, ITER, and we are today here with our sample in the same facility. We want to make the history as well, and this is really a very important starting point.
We have the possibility to actually test the cables as if somehow they were in the coils, but without having to build the coil in the first place.
After this, we will have a lot of feedbacks on our design manufacturing process, and we will get a lot of information to go on with the preparation, the design and the manufacturing of SMC.